I am now at the site of the church, which has been converted into a museum, mainly because they have restored many of the statues, many of the religious objects, and many paintings, so that we can enjoy the glory of this basilica when it was flourishing about 200 over years ago. It's a beautiful collection of many of the old statues, as you can see, like the one behind me right now, and some lovely paintings, all touched up by professionals. So a little bit of a tour, and I'll show you around.